You know what's crazy, right? I just came over to tell you I don't even want you no more. I don't even need you no more. The crazy part about it is I'm so over you that I had to come and tell you that. And I found something new. Come here, baby. Yeah. Don't even worry about that. Do that walk for me, ma. Yeah, spin around. Okay. You dismiss. Okay. Please didn't want to come back. I don't even know her for real. I just paid her to do that. I met her at Denny's. I told her I paid her $72. I love you.